Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to cancel an order on Amazon. So let me show you what I have here. We're going to place an order of an item. I put Oral-B head for a toothbrush, and we're going to pick which ones we want, and then we're going to proceed and cancel it. So this is going to be a demonstration for you guys to see exactly how everything works. So let's pick one, this one, Oral-B Clean Electric. We're going to place the order as normal. This is the item. Okay, this is an item that we're going to buy. Add to basket. Okay. There are a few things to take in consideration once you want to cancel the order. I will tell you at the end of the video. Now just proceed and buy the item. Anyway, the item is added to the basket. Now we proceed to checkout. Okay, this is all the information that is giving us. Now where we're going to deliver, payment method, buy now. Okay, always is important to make sure all the information is correct and the item is bought, so the order is placed. Thank you. It tells us here when it's going to arrive, 11th to June to the 13th, and then we go right to the top corner here where it says returns, as we're going to cancel this order. Okay, so not yet dispatched, and then we cancel this item. We click on it. Okay, and here it tells us here that we already been charged and the refund will be process. Now we need to pick a reason why we want to cancel this order. In this case I put order created by mistake, and we're gonna click on that, and that's it. So the order is cancelled. Okay guys, so I have cancelled the order, and things to take in consideration here are the only orders can be cancelled is orders that they're not been dispatched yet. So once they are marked as dispatched, you'll have to ask for a return, so a refund. Okay, in order to cancel an order that hasn't been dispatched yet is what I just showed you. Keep in mind that some orders you're not gonna be able to cancel them. If that happens, you have to message the seller. You message the seller via message and they can cancel the order themselves. If not, you do it the normal way I just showed you. If not, you message the seller to cancel the order. Anyway guys, take care. I hope this was find value in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.